Hey everyone. All right, we've got Miss Abby right here, and she hasn't been here that long. We're going to work on some obedience with her. Just simply walking. I know I've had some people to request a video on how to get a dog walking on lead without it pulling and everything. And when Miss Abby came in, she was really bad about pulling. She put her head down and off to the races. So one thing I want to show you is I'm going to start off with her on my left side. Now I'm using a British style slip lead here. So when you have them on the left side, you want your lead to be able to take and slip. I'm going to take this off. You see how this is positioned right here. You want to slide it on her head, like so. Get it in position. What she will learn how to do is correct herself. If she will take and pull ahead, it's going to tighten up. If she gets in the spot that I want her in, which is right here beside my hip when we're walking, that's position neutrality. It's going to be nice and loose like this. I'm going to put this keeper to hold it, put it in that position there. But if she pulls ahead of me, it's going to tighten up and it'll correct her. She'll slow down, reposition herself. And I'll come back, and when I put it on the right side, I'll reposition. I'll take this lead off, turn it around so you can see how that will work also. All right, come on, Abby. As you can see, Miss Abby loves an audience. Sit. Good girl. When I stop, I want her to sit. I'm going to give her 10 or 15 seconds. Don't put a timer on this. And for her to settle down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this up, and I'm going to hold on to the training collar here. We're not going to get into anything with the training collar today. I'm going to loosen this up, and then I'm going to take and turn this around like this. Now what I'm going to do is, now she is in position to be on my right side. So to reposition her to my right side, I'm going to put my hand down like so. Abby, heel, heel. I'm going to step forward, sit. Now she's right in position. Even though she's turned around like that, that's fine. Now I have what I need as far as her correcting herself on the walk like so. Here. Good girl. Oh, she gets happy real quick. Come on. Sit. Like I said, we haven't been working together very long at all, but she's come along pretty quick. One of the things she was doing when she came in, like I said, she'd put her head down and pull, because I think that she was being led on a flat collar. When a dog feels the resistance along the base of its neck, and most four-letter animals will do this, they instinctively put their head down and start pulling. So therefore, you want to keep this up. Now you walk the dog slow. You don't get into any kind of fast pace. You want the dog to walk with you. And as you're walking, you keep your demeanor calm and quiet, and the dog actually will feed off of that. So sometimes people ask, how do you correct the dog from pulling? I'm going to show you this little trick here real quick that I come up with. A lot of times I'll take, the dog's on my side, put this lead behind me like this. So now I'm going to use my lower body to slow the dog down. And this is what I had to do with her the first 4 days that I had her here. Here. I'm going to turn around, you'll see. Sit. I have it right here, and I'm able to slow her down if I need to, and walk like this. And that way, if I need to stop, I can use my lower body. And remember, have the dog walk your pace. You don't walk with the dog's pace when you're doing these things. If you have any questions, send me a message, and I'll be glad to answer them the best that I can. Thank you, and have a great day.